Hello everyone, myself Viral Mehta. Today I am going to explain sigmatropic rearrangement for the seminar of PCH 4801 in paper of Advanced Organic Chemistry. Topic covered in this presentation is definition of sigmatropic rearrangement, suprafacial migration and intrafacial migration, 5 molecular orbital of pentadienyl radical, conclusion table of sigmatropic rearrangement, the Cope rearrangement, the Claisen rearrangement and references. First definition. Sigmatropic rearrangement are another class of concerted pericyclic reaction governed by orbital symmetry. This rearrangement involves a concerted reorganization of electrons during which a group attached by a sigma bond migrates to the terminal of adjacent pi electron system. There is a simultaneous shift of pi electrons. The number of pi and sigma bonds remains unchanged. As shown in the figure, the group hydrogen and any alkyl group R migrates with its sigma electron to a new position J from the initial position I. It can be I is equal to 1 to J is equal to 3, then the sigmatropic shift is 1 3, and if the group from I is equal to 1 to J is equal to 5, then the sigmatropic shift is 1 5 shift or rearrangement. 1 3 or 1 5 is also known as the order of the rearrangement or shift. 1 3 shift is also known as 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So, foreign type of sigmatropic rearrangement 1 5. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So, it is also known as 4n plus 2 type of rearrangement. The migrating group R can migrate to its destination position in two different ways. First, migration from I to J remain on the same side of the Pauling system. Second, migration from I to J crossing the plane of molecule and attaching the final position from opposite side with respect to the initial position of I. If the group migrates on the same side is called the suprafacial migration, which we saw in the picture. When the group migrates on the opposite side, cross the plane of molecule is called the intrafacial migration, which we saw in this picture. The suprafacial migration or intrafacial migration is decided by the lobe sign of the orbital taking part of I and J position of the molecule. When hydrogen migrates from I is equal to 1 to J is equal to 5 position in 1 3 pentadiene, the first step is homolysis leading to hydrogen radical and pentadienyl radical. So total 5 electrons is present. These 5 electrons are resonating over a 5 carbon atom, which we saw in dark dots in the next slide. Here is a picture of 5 molecular orbital of pentadienyl radical. The lobe sign of the pentadienyl radical are the shown in figure. Psi 1 and psi 5 lobes are drawn in the same way, maintaining the number of nodes is equal to n minus 1. We know that psi 1 having a 0 node, psi 5 having a 4 node. Now it is important to note that radical and therefore is lobe sign to produce 1, 2, 3 nodes are shown in figure here, with only required p orbital and producing the nodes by putting the opposite or same sign in the p orbital as per requirement. The dark dots on the carbon skeleton do not contribute to node. It is because of the radical system in form of possible combination of the lobes leading to 5 molecular orbital. 1 5 hydrogen shift in 1 3 pentadiene, homolytic cleavage, hydrogen and pentadienyl radical. The pentadienyl radical has total 5 electrons to each in 2 pi bonds, therefore 4 pi electrons plus 1 radical electron due to homolysis of covalent bonds. The 5 electrons are filled in orbital like psi 1 gets 2 electrons, psi 2 gets 2 electrons, psi 3 will have 5th odd electron, which is our HOMO. So psi 3 become HOMO. Under the normal condition, psi 3 is HOMO, has a 1 electron orbital set shown. The psi 3 possesses mirror plane of symmetry. So migration of the group will be suprafacial. HOMO of pentadienyl radical is psi 3 possesses mirror plane of symmetry. So the suprafacial migration is thermally allowed. Here both the positive lobes at initial and final position are on the same side, therefore it will be suprafacial migration, which we saw in this picture. In short, 4n plus 2 type system, hydrogen migration under normal condition. Thermal condition is suprafacially allowed. Now let's us see possibility under photochemical condition. We know that one photochemical condition will excite one electron from HOMO psi3 to psi4 is now a new HOMO from lobe sign that it is a C2 axis symmetry. Here we see that psi4 become a HOMO in photochemical condition. So it has a C2 axis symmetry. Therefore, the group from I is equal to 1 to j is equal to 5 migrates under photochemical condition. Both lobe sign are opposite or plus minus are opposite with respect to plane of molecule, which we saw in the last of the slide. Under photochemical condition, HOMO of pentadienyl radical psi4 possess C2 axis symmetry. So the migration, suprafacial migration is thermally not allowed, or we can say that forbidden. So, intrafacial migration under photochemical condition is allowed. From previous information, we are reached to conclusion that for hydrogen migration, I plus J in foreign type of reaction, in thermal condition, intrafacial migration is allowed. In photochemical condition, suprafacial migration is allowed. In foreign plus 2 type of reaction, in thermal condition, suprafacial migration is allowed. In photochemical condition, intrafacial migration is allowed. When saturated C migrates, there are a stereochemical consequence at the migration center. For carbon migration, I plus J in foreign type of system, in thermal condition, suprafacial migration is allowed. In photochemical condition, intrafacial migration is allowed. In case of foreign plus 2 type of reaction, in thermal condition, intrafacial migration is allowed, or in photochemical condition, suprafacial migration is allowed. The prediction that the sigmatropic reaction with inversion of the migration center C have a selection rule opposite to the hydrogen migration, which we saw in this picture. Both are opposite. The Kopp rearrangement and the Claisen rearrangement are the example of sigmatropic rearrangement. Both are 3-3 type of sigmatropic rearrangement. In Kopp rearrangement, 1,5-diene is heated 150 Celsius. This is also known as degenerate Kopp rearrangement because the starting materials and the product are the same. In this reaction, C1 and C2 carbon atom and C5-C6 carbon atom pi bond is broken, and C3 and C4 sigma bond is broken, and sigma bond is formed between the C1 and C6 carbon atom, and pi bond is formed between C2 and C3 and C4 and C5 carbon atom. Here is a mechanism of Kopp rearrangement. The next is Claisen rearrangement, a cousin of Kopp rearrangement, a slightly older process known as Claisen rearrangement. In the Claisen rearrangement, a vinyl allyl ether is heated to give a gamma delta unsaturated carbonyl. It is also known as 3-3 type of sigmatropic rearrangement. In this reaction, C1 and C2, C5 and C6 carbon atom pi bond is broken, and C4 and oxygen sigma bond is broken, and C1 and C6 sigma bond is formed. C4 and C5 and C2 and oxygen pi bond is formed. Here is a mechanism of Claisen rearrangement with transition state. The references of this presentation is third edition of Photochemistry and Pericyclic Reaction by Jagdamba Singh and Jaya Singh. Thank you so much.